Are you at the desk all day, sitting at the computer, in Zoom meetings, virtual school, don't have time to get to the gym or just too tired to get to the gym? Guess what? Here's the solution. It's very simple. Every hour, you do one exercise for 3 to 5 minutes. So in an 8-hour workday, that's 7 breaks, each one is 3 to 5 minutes of exercise. You just did 35 minutes of exercise at 5-minute increments. Very simple. One exercise, 15 repetitions, 3 sets. But what do? What are the exercises? Well, here they are. The first exercise, take your band, your CLX band, is just to do your basic postural correction for upper cross, for tech neck. It's called Brugger's. So you put the band in one loop, skip a loop, put your hand in the other loop. Fingers down, chest up, pinch the wing bones back and down, turn out. Some people just stop here. Other people go to here and to really rotate the pinkies. Hold it. 1, 2, slow. 2, 3, 4. Keeping the shoulders pinched together. Slowly recover. Stop. Reset. Down. Chest up. Pinch the wing bones down. Turn out. Extend. Rotate the pinkies up. Hold. 1, 2. No tightness in the neck. Slowly recover. Whenever you use a stretch band, you have to slowly recover. That you do 3 times, 15 repetitions, 3 sets. That you're done. Next time, an hour later, you do another exercise, chin tucks. Just bring the chin in, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Bring it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. All right? You do that 15 times, 3 sets. Then you wait an hour. The next exercise is a similar one. You take your band, put it behind your head, do your chin tucks, no tension on the band, push, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then relax. Chin tuck, no tension. Load the band, keeping the chin tucked. Hold it for 5 seconds, and then relax. Keep it simple, guys. Do it 15 times, 3 sets of 15, once an hour. Every exercise, every hour, it's a different exercise. Now, take your band, grab it, up over the top. Now, this is the 4th hour of the day. Push out, pull down into W position. Don't let your chin go too far out. Keep it tucked. Hold the W position, slowly recover. 1 rep. Pull out, down into W position. Get those elbows down and relax the head again. Hold for a couple of seconds. Slowly recover on a count of 4. You do it 3 times 15. That's the 4th exercise. The 5th exercise is real simple. You can do it sitting or standing. You get the band below. Thumbs are pointed up. We call it open can position. You're not lifting out to the side. You're not lifting to the front. You're lifting on an angle at about 30 degrees to your body. Hold, 1, 2, slowly go down. Actually, they've shown that this exercise alone, if you do this for 2 minutes a day, reduces neck pain significantly in office workers. Hold, 1, 2, slowly go down. You do 15 repetitions, 3 sets. That's the 5th exercise. The next exercise is a fun one. Again, I like it standing, but you can do it seated. It's called cheerleaders. Take your band. You do need to put your hand in the loops for this one. One goes here. I like to skip 2 loops. If your arms are really long, you may have to skip 3 loops. And it's cheerleaders, like you're shaking a pom-pom. One hand goes up, shake that pom-pom. One hand goes down. Come back, and then go. And if you want to have fun, you can use jazz hands, okay? But that's 1 repetition. 2, right? Go down. 2 repetitions. And you really want to have fun, you can do a little knee pump. I don't care. But the key is palm up and open, palm up and open, and the band goes right through the middle of your chest. 15 repetitions, sets of 3. Next one, the last one is just simple. Stretch your chest right in your chair. Interlace your hands behind your back. Hold, keep the neck relaxed. Drive that chest forward, lift up. This one you hold a little longer. This one is, you'd hold it for maybe 30 seconds, maybe only do 4 repetitions. So this is the one that's not 15 times 3. Do you have to do them in this order? No, but I just gave you 7 exercises that you can do, 1 an hour, so at the end of your workday, you just did 35 minutes of exercise without leaving the confines of your office chair or desk. That's what it's all about. Enjoy. I'm Dr. Donald DeFabio. It's a great day to talk rehab.